Hi everyone, ready to protect your assets and save on taxes? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to start a New York LLC from scratch. New York is incredibly business-friendly, but the steps can be confusing. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll dive into the specific tax and privacy benefits that make New York so unique. Next, I'll walk you through the actual filing process using a registered agent to keep your home address private. Then, we'll secure your EIN so you can actually start doing business. Finally, I'll break down the real ongoing costs and compliance rules so you never have to worry about fines or losing your company. Whether you're a local freelancer or an international entrepreneur, this is your guide. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to address a fundamental question. Why would you choose New York for your LLC in the first place? If you live here, it is the most practical option. Registering out of state typically requires you to register as a foreign entity in New York, effectively doubling your fees and paperwork. Beyond logistics, a New York LLC carries significant prestige. As a global hub for finance, media, and fashion, having a local entity offers a layer of credibility that attracts serious investors and partners. However, you must be realistic about the costs. New York imposes state income taxes ranging from 4 to 10.9% and enforces strict compliance rules, specifically the unique publication requirement. While it isn't the cheapest state, for residents and businesses targeting this major market, the professional legitimacy and access to New York's world-class infrastructure make it the most logical choice. Now, before we open the filing forms, let's quickly clarify what an LLC actually is, specifically under New York law. A limited liability company, LLC, is a hybrid business structure that combines the operational flexibility and pass-through tax benefits of a partnership with the robust liability protection typically associated with a corporation. Basically, an LLC creates a separate legal entity for your business. It draws a hard line between you, the human, and the business, the entity. This means your personal assets, such as your house, your car, your personal bank accounts, and your investments, are legally protected from business debts, lawsuits, and commercial liabilities. If your business gets sued or goes bankrupt, creditors generally cannot come after your personal savings life. For any entrepreneur, this corporate veil offers peace of mind that is priceless. One vital step is appointing a registered agent. This is an official representative located in New York, responsible for receiving legal and government notices. Technically, you could list yourself as the registered agent and use your own home address. However, I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy by using their commercial address on public forms, and it ensures you never miss a critical legal document. For this tutorial, I will be using Northwest Registered Agent. I use them for my own business because they are reliable, they scan your documents immediately, and they are very reasonably priced compared to the big-name competitors. To follow along with me, you can click the link in the description. This link will take you to this page. Once you're on the Northwest homepage, click the button that says, Let's Get You Started. This will launch the Formation Wizard. First, select LLC as your business type. Next, select New York as your state. You will immediately see the pricing breakdown on the right side. The state filing fee for New York is $200. Northwest service fee is $39. Click Continue to enter your company information. The most important rule here is that your name must be unique in New York and must end with a designator like Limited Liability Company or LLC. For this example, I'll use Test LLC. For the second question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. I'm going to select No. For most people, this won't be relevant. Now comes the address, which is where the registered agent values kick in. For both the physical address and mailing address of the business, select the option to use the registered agent address. This ensures your home address stays completely off the Department of State's database. Northwest allows you to use their NY office for this exact purpose. From here, we can go to Management, which is where we can complete the management of our company. For most single-owner LLCs, you want to select Member Managed and not Manager Managed. Here, you can then fill in your first and last name. As you proceed, you'll see optional add-ons like a business phone number or website. These are usually free trials that turn into paid subscriptions, so I typically uncheck them. However, there is one optional item you absolutely must get, the Tax ID, EIN. An EIN, Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your business. You need it to open a bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. While you can get this for free from the IRS website, the site is notoriously glitchy and difficult to navigate. For $50, Northwest will handle the application for you and deliver it securely. If you value your time, this is a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about the overall pricing. The most significant hurdle for New York LLCs is the unique publication requirement mandated by Section 206 of the Limited Liability Company Law. This statute requires all new LLCs to publish a notice of formation in 2 separate newspapers, one daily and one weekly, for 6 consecutive weeks. Crucially, these newspapers must be designated by the county clerk where the office is located. After publication, you receive affidavits of publication, which must be filed with the Department of State alongside a $50 fee. Failing to complete this within 120 days suspends your authority to conduct business, stripping you of the right to sue in New York courts and leaving your company legally vulnerable. The financial impact of this requirement depends heavily on geography. Advertising rights in New York County can skyrocket to $1,500, whereas counties like Albany or Erie might cost only a few $100s. Consequently, total startup costs, including the roughly $240 for initial filing and optional EIN processing, realistically range between $600 and $1,800. Many entrepreneurs hire professional services to navigate this bureaucratic complexity. Regarding the timeline, online formation generally takes 4 to 10 business days, with EIN acquisition taking an additional week or 2. Upon approval, you receive a digital dashboard with your filing receipt, articles of organization, operating agreement, and EIN letter. Finally, taxation is critical. New York LLCs are pass-through entities, meaning you pay personal state income tax ranging from 4 to nearly 11% rather than federal business tax. New York City residents face additional city taxes, and businesses operating there may owe a 4% unincorporated business tax. To maintain compliance, you must also file a biannual statement every 2 years for just $9. Missing this can lead to administrative dissolution. To wrap up, New York is a fantastic place to build a business if you are ready to navigate the red tape. It offers prestige, access to capital, and strong legal protections. By using a service like Northwest Registered Agent, you can automate the privacy protection and filing steps, leaving you free to focus on what matters: growing your business. If you have questions about the publication requirement or any other step, drop a comment. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.